Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to deactivate Instagram account from iPhone. Open your Instagram app and tap on your profile to the bottom right corner. Tap on the three line icon to the top right corner. Settings, account. Scroll down and tap on delete account. Tap on deactivate account. And select where you are deactivating your account. To continue, enter here your Instagram account password and tap on temporarily deactivate account. Yes, that's how we can deactivate account from iPhone. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.